Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could quickly transform any Tradingview indicator into a full-blown trading strategy without having to write complex Python script from scratch, today's video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to effortlessly convert any Tradingview indicator into a backtesting strategy, so you can see for yourself how profitable your favorite setups really are. Alright, let's jump in. I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, and I'll explain the why behind each action so you can truly feel confident replicating this on your own. First up, make sure you've already selected the indicator you want to work with on Tradingview. For example, maybe you've got a favorite moving average cross or an RSI-based script you love. Next, hover your mouse over that indicator's listing. This is usually in the pane at the bottom or side of your chart. You'll see an option called source code or something similar, depending on whether the indicator script is open. Click that to reveal the code powering this indicator. It might look a little intimidating if you're not a coder, but don't worry, you don't need deep coding knowledge for this next part. Go ahead and copy all the code from this window. A quick tip here, triple check that you've got everything selected before you hit copy, just so nothing important gets left behind. Now let's move over to ChatGPT. If your version of ChatGPT has the Explore GPT feature, click on it. This lets you browse and select specialized modes or plugins that work particularly well for coding tasks. In the search bar within Explore GPT, type in Tradingview. Almost always, the first option that pops up is tailored for Tradingview scripts. This is the one you'll want to use, as it's optimized to understand Python script. Click into that and now you'll see a familiar prompt bar. Here, what you do, type out "turn this indicator into a strategy," just like that, then paste in the entire code you copied earlier. Let ChatGPT work its magic. It'll convert your indicator's script into a strategy script, which means instead of just showing you signals, this script will now allow you to backtest, optimize, and analyze hypothetical trades using Tradingview's strategy tester. This can be a game changer for understanding the real performance behind an idea, not just what could work, but what actually works over time. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the code for you, simply copy this new script. Again, be sure you've grabbed the whole thing. Back in Tradingview, open the Python script editor. If you have any code in there already, erase it. Don't worry, this won't affect your added indicators or saved scripts. It just clears out the editing pane so you can paste in the new strategy code from ChatGPT. Once pasted, click the Add to Chart or Save button. Now here's a common hiccup: sometimes the code might throw an error. This is pretty normal, especially with custom or complex indicators, so don't let this rattle you. Simply copy the error message that pops up, head back to ChatGPT, paste the error in, and let it know there's a problem. Usually, ChatGPT will quickly analyze the error and revise the script accordingly. Just copy the corrected code, return to Tradingview, paste it in, and run it again. It may take a couple rounds for more unusual scripts, but with a bit of back and forth, you'll almost always get a working strategy. Once it's running well, don't forget to name your strategy, give it something memorable in the Python editor, then hit save. Now you're ready to backtest, tweak settings, and see exactly how your idea would have performed historically. And that's it. With this process, you can unleash the power of AI on any Tradingview indicator and start testing strategies in minutes. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see more strategy conversions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your backtesting.